So, during all our childhood, our grandmothers or our close people must have told stories about people who die and greeted by Yamraj on top of a buffalo and with a long rope and taking them to the places like hell or heaven, wherever they deserve, right? So, what if this Yamraj or say Asura or Rakshasa clan have evolved in technology and have updated the services as well? Instead of going in a buffalo, they are now in a spaceship, transporting people from one life to another, transitioning them smoothly with the help of a lot of people. So, an interesting concept, an interesting premise is the main subject of today's review. The film's name is Cargo. Welcome to my short take, and let's start the narration.
I first heard about Cargo, directed by Aarti Kadav, when it premiered at the 2019 Mami Festival. You all know there are umpteen films like 2001 A Space Odyssey, Gravity, Passengers, etc., which talked about life and death in space. While all the above films were made on a lavish budget and a plenty of crew, Cargo was made on a constrained one. Though it borrows its name from a 2017 Hollywood film, Cargo is a completely different genre altogether. In fact, I found the film a bit like Duncan Jones' Moon, which was released last year. I usually stay away from plot discussions, but I have no idea how can I tell about this film without explaining its premise. It's that unique. So, in a fictitious world, the Manavas and the Rakshasas have formed a peace treaty and they later have embraced a modern way of living life. Most of these human Rakshasas have supernatural powers and they have even replaced the traditional Yamraj with the modern post-death transition services or PDTS for managing dead people and transitioning them into a new afterlife. You can see many references of Hindu mythology in the film, be it the PDTS spaceship, which is named after Pushpak, or even Vikrant Massey's character Prahasta, who is named after Supreme Commander of Ravana. Shweta Tripathi plays Yuvishka, the new understudy of Prahasta, and a girl with healing powers. These guys work with few interesting personalities in day-to-day life, and believe me, they all have their own supernatural powers, ranging from being 86.270% invisible and also the ability to not sleep. All the actors who are part of this project have done a terrific job. I was excited to see the talented pairing of Vikrant Massey and Shweta Tripathi again after Mirzapur. Here, both of them are outstanding as transition agents at the PDTS spaceship. Shweta's character is diametrically opposite of Massey's, while one is extrovert, the other is introvert. Both have played their characters really well. I also really liked Nandu Madhav's Nitigya here as the ground controller. He was also pretty good. Hansal Mehta and Konkona Sen Sharma excelled in short but effective cameos. If you have the intention of seeing Cargo, then please hibernate the logical side of your brain for a short period of time, because this film is completely experimental and billions of questions will come boiling up to your brain's surface after each and every scene, but you will enjoy it nevertheless. With all being said, the film gets slow paced and repetitious in certain places. The entire body transition process also was not explained in a definite manner. In fact, many such logicless scenes come and go all the time. I really felt at least 20-25 minutes runtime could have been easily chopped off at the editing table. For a debutant, I felt Aarti Kadav has done a terrific job in weaving a unique premise for the audience. She was also well aided by production designer Mayur Sharma, who set up a terrific sci-fi environment, and that on a stringent budget that has never seen before in Hindi cinema. Background score by Sheshan Sheikh and cinematography by Kaushal Shah was commendable. So should you watch Cargo on Netflix?
Despite its lack of having a solid script, I believe films like Cargo should be supported, and it could potentially inspire a lot of path-breaking films in the future. I really am happy for Netflix for supporting and piloting this experimental project. If you have a Netflix subscription, please go ahead and watch Cargo. I would recommend it for the fact that it is a unique premise. It may be a polarizing opinions, the plot may be lacking pace, but I believe the film is true sci-fi original in Indian cinema. Do watch it, and for more interesting reviews, please subscribe to our channel. And till we see next time, it's goodbye from Mithun, it's goodbye from my short take team. Take care, and thanks for watching.